Welcome back. It's time to close out the week with our own Shannon Becker and his big three stories. Welcome back, Shannon.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good to see you. Of course, you'll see him all weekend, too.
I will. I'll be here all weekend, ready to roll here for the Super Bowl.
All right, live breaking news. What happened this week? Let's take a look at the big three. Number 3, this was yesterday. Now, 2 events that a lot of people thought were related, but we found are not related. Webb City Police pursued a stolen vehicle to 249 and Zora. A man fled on foot. They discontinued that search for that man, and then about an hour later, College Heights Christian School went on lockdown. They had a premise alert. Joppa police said they searched the building twice. No one was ever located. So 2 separate incidents, not related, but it was kind of, a lot of parents were upset yesterday, didn't know what was going on.
Yeah.
So, number 2 story, Joplin News First, live and breaking news. This was 3rd and Geneva, an intersection, just a 4-way stop there right by North Park Mall at JCPenney's. Someone ran a stop sign and clobbered that car, a Jeep Cherokee, into the side of that passenger car. What they call that intrusion when it goes into the vehicle like that.
Gotcha.
3 people injured in that car, but no life-threatening injuries. That was on
good.
Friday night. Also on Friday night, I left that. It was a busy night and went straight to Gameco, our number 1 story of the week. We've got footage of the inside of Gameco as a minivan drove into the building.
Wow.
Yeah, and barely missed 2 people that were shopping. It's an amazing video. Gameco remains closed temporarily until they can get things fixed. I talked to the owner the other day and they said they still don't have a date yet. That's a lot of merchandise there damaged, let alone a huge hole in the wall.
Yeah, and the van came in backwards. That's just something else.
It was just an accident. Someone hit the wrong, hit the reverse instead of forward. Also, they had a former location across from the North Park Mall where someone actually drove in there. We were there that day too. So,
really?
Yeah, no one was hurt that day.
Well,
but Gameco, maybe they need to put those big, pylons out front.
They might need some of those pylons out there.
Park some armored cars sideways in front of the building.
Weird that it's happened twice.
No. Our bonus story of the week, you've been talking about it. How about robots? Yeah, coming up this Sunday, the pregame show. It's the Carl Junction Company, Stokes Robotics, and they'll be performing with Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo. You know who that is, right?
Of course, yeah.
You're a young,
big
savvy,
famous celebrity.
young, savvy, cool guy. You can sing some of that.
Ooh, I don't know about that.
Rehearsals are going on, and it'll be, I think, it's going to be, 1 o'clock Eastern, so that's noon our time.
Gotcha.
And I think you can watch it on TikTok, or you can watch it on Fox as well. Of course, we'll be running that on Fox 14. Here in the area. And then a bonus. How about this? Okay, so I don't know if you knew that I'm on the KOM Presents podcast.
Okay.
I'm not bragging or anything, but they're calling it Shannon, what is it? Unfiltered is what they
Shannon
call it.
Unfiltered. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So Amanda Salgado and I were doing, she's interviewed me and stuff, so it's a new series you can download wherever you find podcasts. And I haven't listened yet. I'm afraid to listen. I really am.
You got to try it out. You just
I know.
See how it all goes.
So we'll play it on our Facebook page, though, coming up. So
Gotcha.
people can enjoy it if they don't do podcasts or something like that.
Sounds like a plan.
That's your big 3 this week.
All right. Well, thank you, Shannon. I'll have to check out that Unfiltered podcast.
All right. Yeah. Good luck. You'll be too busy
good.
dancing to Jason Derulo.
Well, I'll find some time. It'll be easy. All righty. Well, we'll be right back after this.